Hi guys, this is Pot Spice and I am here to do a collaboration video and a small tutorial for Beebeecrafts. Now, they have a YouTube program where if you have a certain number of subscribers, you can apply to do a collaboration with them. So if you go ahead and look in the descriptions box below, you will see that link where you can go to and check that out. You definitely want to check out their different types of crafting products. There is in the description box, there is a code for a discount for those people who come over from my channel, and just go and look at all the stuff that they have there. It's kind of interesting to see what you can get, and so I decided I was going to try it. So I did an unboxing video, and I'm going to show you today what products I am using. So one, I am using this Susie glue, and this is so cute. And let's see what comes in it, just briefly. So you get this instruction sheet, and it tells you how to do various wire wrapping techniques on the front. And then on the back, it gives you some ideas of what you can make with this kit. All right, so you can do that. And in general, it came in this little box inside there. It has this sturdy little clip. I like it. It's like, woo. You could hang it from a pegboard if you wanted to. And then on inside, each little compartment has its own set of doodads. So there are some circles in here. There's smaller circles, some rectangle, or not rectangle, squares, and so forth. There are some head pins, some butterflies that you can use. And then I'll show you the rest of it, the ones that are empty. I'll show you the rest of it once we start. And then the other section is this. I bought this. Now, it didn't come with like a wrapper in a box like that one. But this is another one of those kits. And it has 4 colors. And it is spacers. So when you look at it, it's spacers. And these are the things that you put between bigger beads or just beads in themselves to kind of spread them out, make decorations. It comes in like this pewtery kind of color. Bronze is usually what it's called. Coppery color, gold, and then silver. And then each one of these has 6 different designs. So let's go ahead and look at that again. You can check out the full unboxing video, and I will link that above and below. And so when you open it up, I'll show you the gold one. See, that's what I use. They all come in these little packages, and then you can see that they have 6 different designs in each color. Of spacers. And then you use these to create whatever you want. So if you like to do earrings, if you like to do bracelets, if you like to do rings, you can actually use these to make rings. If you like to do tassels, if you like to do the little charms at the end, well, just charms anyway. If you like to do chunky charms, these are all things that you can use in those kind of items. So those are the two product packs that I have chosen to use for today's. And then I'm just going to go ahead and show you what else was in the little small pack, the first pack. So it had some ear wires, as you can see here. It has ear wires. The circles, it had some acrylic beads in it. There's a little length of chain. More butterflies. And then from the other kit, well, let me show you these two. These were your jump rings. And then from the other kit, the spacers, I used these two. So maybe you can see that better. All right, so let me go ahead and show you what I created today. I created a very easy, simple pair of earrings using the butterflies, some jump rings, and the little diamond shapes. So how cute is that? So adorable. And these little butterflies are sort of like a organza type of fabric. Not sure exactly if that's what it is, but it has that kind of feel to it. And then, so what I did to get the jump ring through it is I just took my scissors and punched a little hole so that it would be easier for the rings to go through. All right, then let me show you the second pair. Let me just start over. And I'm going to show you this first one. and how it dangles. Isn't that gorgeous? So I've used one of the acrylic beads, a smaller circle. I've used the spacer beads. There's that square one, jump ring, and then the ear wire. Okay, how lovely. I love it. So let me go ahead and show you how that comes together just quickly. And maybe you'll like to do something like this. So first off, I took the jump ring and I put it through the blue bead. And then, let me show you here at the top. And before I closed it, let's see if you can see that. And then before I closed it, I put this circle in that section. See, so you can see that there. We can see it. So we've got that finished. Now I need to do basically the same thing in order to get the other part of the earring. So let me go ahead and show you that. So I have my square. Here's the little dangle I created. So let me show you that up close. See if you can see that. So if you can see that on the back of my hand. And I did have to pull out some cream colored beads out of my stash because I did not end up picking up any of the beads from Beebeecrafts. And I was like, oh my gosh. So then you see I have the rest of my little supplies here. So what I am going to do, I'm going to take my needle nose pliers, or at least my round pliers, those. Some bent needle nose pliers. I will end up using some clippers, and we will create the little piece here. So once again, I'm going to take this. Now I want to show you how to open these. Okay, so let me get this for you. So when you look at this, you see this split. That's why it's called a split ring. You don't open it like pulling it apart this way. So you don't open it that way. What you do is, I'm going to take another pair of pliers. You open them like a twisting motion, okay? But you don't want to like twist really hard or anything. So I'm going to grab both sides of this ring, and you can do it with your fingers, but I want you to see what I'm doing. So I'm not going to pull them apart. I'm going to twist it like that. So you see how it's opening? That's what you want to do, okay? Otherwise, you can actually break the ring. So now what I want to do is put my dangle on my piece like that. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the square. So now they're both sitting on there like that. And then I want to take my fish hook and I want to slide it on there as well. So now I actually have all three pieces on this loop. Then I'm going to do what I did before. So let me grab it real quick. It's tiny, so I have to bring it up to my face. So I'm going to twist it back. So see how I'm twisting it back in space? And what I like to do, if I'm going to use jump rings, I like to push it back. Let me get it in here so you can see it. I like to do it a little bit further than the original piece. So you see how it's not there? And then I'll go back and just kind of do like a little piece there. Does that make sense? So see how that is? Right. And then we can hang that in there. Now let me go back and see, I want to see if I put another jump ring or if I hung all three of them together. Yes, I actually did. So here's another thing. So I need to open this up. So I just do it the same way because I was about to make a different earring. I need to put all three of these on here. So I'm just going to take it out of view so I can see it real quick. And then this way I can show you how to open it again. So we're just going to take that. Open it. Then I'm going to stick on the bottom. So now everything is on there. That's what we want. And then I just do it again. There you go. And then I'll do something like hold it a little bit, and then I'll just kind of flatten it. You don't want to do it like smash. You just want to do it a little bit. And then when you are done, you have your earring. And that's so cute. And so there's your pair. They look adorable. And then, of course, you can take anything that you have. You can have some dies. You can just have some cuts. And then poke 2 little holes in it. And then you can hang it up like you would see in a store. All right, thanks for watching. Go check out the description box below for all the relevant information. And I will be back with another video.